Hi everybody and welcome. Today we have this platform called ABC Trainerize, and this is the best coaching app for better client engagement. Now, before we begin, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial and exclusive bonuses onto the platform. Make sure to give a try to that. So jumping onto the platform, it offers a wide range of features to add and interact with your clients, of course. And you can see on the main dashboard we have this add a new client option. Once we head over to that, you can add their email address, their first and last name, and some other information, and then send them an invite. They will be populated onto this exact section once you add them. And on the left side you can see your messages that you can use to interact with them as well. You can create new messages, enter recipient, your message, and send them. So this is pretty easy. Now we have this add new on the top right side of your screen, from where you can generally add your client, team member, message, or event. So you have this one-on-one appointment session as well, or if you want to add a sale, that is something as well in here. You have your groups. Similarly, how you add your clients, you can add them in a group as well. You have your team as discussed already, and master libraries, like for example if you want to share your programs, workouts, exercises, meals, food. So this is something dedicated to coaching. So we have this meals, foods, and all type of stuff in here. An amazing platform for coaching in general. You have your payments and few other things. So talking about its reviews, we really have something good in here, as you can see. Now, the best training app on the market, and the other guys are also saying that. So you can see the best training app on the market and the best platform in business. So make sure to give a try using the link in the description, using which you can get extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. So see you guys around in the next video.